National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central DeKalb County in north central Illinois, west central Kane County in northeast Illinois until 7:15 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Kirkland to Rochelle and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Sycamore and DeKalb around 6:40 p.m. Cortland around 6:45 p.m. Maple Park around 6:55 p.m. Elburn around 7:05 p.m. This warning includes the east-west tollway from mile markers 83 and 109. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest